wake up call, big time, big time uh, thing about big times overcoming the problem, the challenge, the leak, the what keeps traders to make money away, not from making money and in fact losing money, is wanting to things to happen quickly. For me, especially if it's not happening quickly, I am not in the market. I'm taking losses in the wrong place. Got to let things happen as a leave a setup for hours and days sometime, and then it will happen. That's the key point. That's the where we are not having a good life and money, making money, because we're not leaving it alone at the right setup. After having pocket ace, leaving, it's not a poker game. The hand cannot finish in a few minutes. Okay, this is not a poker game. This is not a slot machine. This is gonna take its sweet time, as long as it takes. A trade on a 5 minute chart can take hours. If the setup was gonna work in my favor, in the setup's favor, do what it's supposed to do, it's gonna take hours. Can work for take Give it time to work, and like let it go. Put a bet on, put a trade on, mod reasonable amount of risk, leave it alone. If it stop you out, fine, then leave it alone. It's most of these trades that I'm taking go to the next tech level. Okay, all right, this is a 1 hour chart. I was always looking to sell this pair, USD Max. Always looking to sell. I already made a couple videos about it, but the key point, wake up call, learning lesson, unless I overcome, unless I do that, there is no success. There is no good life. There is no nothing can be achieved. It's about when you have a good setup, leave it alone. It's gonna go from here, it's gonna go to 1 hour 200, then it's gonna go to 4 hour 200. Okay, 4 hour 200 red line is right there. Mostly best tech level, leave it alone. So at this point, I'm always looking to sell. Okay, it comes down here, not necessarily is going to continue from here. Price can do very deep retracement, 70-80% pullback of the drop. If this drop, it can go to like 50 MA again and then come down for further downside. That's a lots of substantial, it's very lots of points in between. But getting out at the wrong time and not having a stop at the right place, which is always going to be the couple of previous highs, if you're going down a couple of previous lows, couple swings above or below, depends where we're going, is the crime and the sin, is the wrong thing, and that's what gonna make life bad, trading bad, everything. So right now, if it's down and I'm looking to sell on continuation, because it's a very nice breakout of us many days of sideway action, very nice getting out of the previous lows. As you can see, this line right here, previous lows, getting out previous lows, this gray line. Okay, and then always looking to sell it. So let's say I sell it, put a stop here, boom, stopped out. Okay, sell it again here, put a stop right behind it. Okay, now market is definitely showing downtrend, but it's not ready to continue down. Possibly not. I don't know. Where would your stop gonna be? Above this gray line right here, above this horizontal line right here. Okay. Guess what? It went all the way back to this grid, because that was the previous low. It's above 50. It's above 200, close above it. At this point, it's looking definitely upward. That's where deceiving the traders, average trader. 99, 98% trader deceive. 95%, I don't know what percentage of day traders are trading, and they're looking for either buy or sell based on price action, making higher high. So it's already making higher high, higher low, but in a higher high low in a 1 hour chart. But in a 4 hour, in a big picture, it has not make a 4 hour higher low, okay, which would be this previous high, at least this one, if not this one. That is a change of trend, not just yet. Okay, very quick. What we can do here is, if price is hitting here, we can see there's a 1 hour 200. We see this 30-minute 200 as a possible confluence zone as previous low at 30 or 200. We see pins. We go to 550-minute chart. We see a big pin. We see we're sitting right here. We see it hit is big pin. Okay, we go to 5-minute chart. What we see here is after hitting this sell zone, after hitting the sell zone, reaching the sell zone, it's not making a new high. It's not closing higher above. Let's make a little high, start going a sideways. So it's going consolidation. This is a consolidation, guys. This is on the very right. You have 5, 6, 10, 8, 10 candles, 5-minute candles, and going in a side in consolidation in a triangle pattern, or a rectangle, and boom, you have a break to the downside of the spike and ledge. Okay, spike up, sideways, down. Can this be your sell entry? Of course, absolutely. Okay. Can this turn around, go back up a lot? Of course. That's what it is. Moderate, appropriate, building it, moderate profits at a time. Stop loss always above the previous high. Okay. Uncertain, always. No trade is certain. No trade is certain, and no trade is guaranteed to go where. No trade is certain. This right here is your sell entry. You have price coming, the high is is a confluence of resistance. So you got to identify in advance and plan it. Confluence of resistance, spike and ledge, a triangle or rectangle break out, whichever side you sell, and you go back. Okay, now here's what happened. Since this video is about taking how mind wants quick and fast and a lot, no, this is the key. This is the difference. This has got to be the absolutely opposite in order to win in trading. You cannot win in the same mind you've been doing with. Okay, everybody said, Tom, everybody say cannot. So look what happened afterward. Price go down and you're in profit. Then it's turned back around, come to test the breeze. And that's where almost me on every trader is getting out, running for cover, taking a loss. It hasn't closed above. We're trying to see all kinds of opposite clues. Oh, it's come out. It was news. It popped. Couple of big news, red news events. It's make a nice, very big outside ranger at moving averages. Gotta go up. All right. You could just close your trade at this if you're watching. The idea was, you want to get in and out all the time. It's not a nice life. It's not a good life. The idea was to leave the stop above this high. Leave it alone. 5-10 pips above. Leave it alone. Go to gym, go somewhere, go do something really nice, something really enjoyable. Anything, whether it's gym, movie, music, anything nice, relaxing, anything you can think of, way to relax, quality relax, nice day in the park, anything, whatever it may be. Come back, just don't even worry about it. If a stop loss trigger, you'll find out, you'll get a alert. Oh, okay, price definitely went much higher, And then you can look for, say, all right, what's going on? It's going to go sideways or up, sideways or up, new sideways or up. That's the only thing that's possible there. But if it's show you another sharp pin, of even goes high up, and the sharp pin, take out your stop, come back, which it could do easily, like the guy said, the take out. No, it's I would say 7 out of 10. It didn't take out the making a double top, creating a possible M now M, boom. Where did it stop? At the trend line, at the tech level. Price went from tech level to tech level, tech zone to tech zone. Now what? It doesn't matter what happened now. This is what happening all the time, every day, in every time frame. Price going level to level. Buy sell zone. Sellers come in here at this sell zone tech levels. Buyers come in here. People take profit. That's what price movement is all about. Once planned, code is cracked. Okay. And then just trying to minimize the work and simplify the work, at some point automate the work or have leverage the work. It's it. Level to level, tech level to level. What levels? Buy level, buy zone levels, sell levels to buy levels, take profit levels, zones, sellers, tech support resistances, tech areas. Identify all tech zones, tech areas, MAs, horizontal lines, trend lines. That's it. Identify all that from daily to 15-minute, and then keep drawing the lines on 5-1, and then take those reversals from 4 hour, 1 hour daily moving averages, 4 hour daily, 1 hour trend lines, 4 hour daily, 1 hour horizontal previous high low lines, roll reversal lines. All right, if this thing pushes down a little bit more, I think I'm in for a sell. It definitely looks that way. Yes, it stopped, took some profit at the trend line, but it can keep coming down. I mean, people want to sell, buy Mexican dollar. It's happening. Maybe it happened in a few minutes. That's not important. Important thing is what repeats, and how can we have a life by doing what works and what repeats, what happens in the market. No matter how deceiving it looks in the beginning, it's just about slowing yourself down completely. The key to trading is being in a complete zone of smooth sailing. All right, until next video.